Hello everyone and welcome back to another edition of our video newsletter. In this video I want to talk to you about the concept that a Baker Act facility is worse than jail. Worse than jail. Why do I say that? Well, if you've been taken to jail, first of all, I can go on the Sheriff's Office booking blotter and I can see it. I can see your photograph. I can see what you were charged with. I can see the agency that actually arrested you. I can even get information about your bond, in other words, bail, and when you were actually taken there. I can then go to the clerk of court's website if there's a file case and get information about your arrest. I could probably download the probable cause affidavit. So all that is public record. And in fact, if I want to go and visit you, I can do that too. If you've been Baker Acted, guess what? It's done in secret. It's confidential. I can't go to the clerk of court's website. I can't look it up. I probably can't visit you at the Baker Act facility. I can't call you, right? And many of you are telling me that your loved ones are basically being cut off from you, even if they're a minor. And so, yeah, going to a Baker Act facility is far worse than going to jail, okay? No judges reviewed anything. If you get arrested in the state of Florida, within 24 hours, if you don't bond out, right, which is the sort of process for you securing your own release, you come before a judge and they get to decide if you are going to be released. But not in a Baker Act case. Not in a Baker Act case. They can legally hold you for up to 72 hours and they're supposed to then go file something with the court. But because nobody's watching them, as I've talked about in other videos, they can hold you beyond 72 hours. So being held in a Baker Act facility is far worse than going to jail, which is why in other videos I've talked about the idea that you got to take action to secure your release. And you need to take action as quick as possible if you don't want to get stuck in this facility and if you don't want to get court ordered into a state mental health facility potentially for up to 6 months. And I've seen it happen. I've had folks call me from a state mental health facility and say, I've been sent here. I'm going to be stuck here for 6 months. Can you get me out? Well, if you've already had a hearing in front of a judge, the answer to that is probably no. It's too late. So take action and take action fast is what I always say. With that said, thanks for the great question. Stay safe and be well.